Good morning to all. Today we will learn how the pressure can be measured using electrical strain gauge. So strain gauge is a transducer. Transducer is a device that converts non-electrical quantities into electrical quantities. So strain gauge is a passive transducer that converts mechanical displacement or elongation produced due to the forces into its corresponding change in resistance, inductance or capacitance. So resistance, inductance and capacitance are electrical quantities, and pressure that has been applied, or you can say the force that has been applied, is a mechanical quantity. A strain gauge is basically used to measure the strain in a workpiece. So it is a passive transducer. Active transducer क्या है? जैसे piezoelectric crystal. The crystal has the property of producing the output voltage when the external force is applied on them. So these are active transducer, which itself produce the voltage when the force is applied on them. So if a metal piece is subjected to a stress, the metal length will increase and therefore the electrical resistance will increase. So this resistance can be measured, which is an electrical quantity. So this is the basic principle of electrical strain gauge, or you can say transducers, to convert the non-electrical quantities into some form of electrical quantity. Similarly, if the metal is subjected to compressive force, the length will decrease. Therefore, the resistance, electrical resistance will also decrease because resistance is directly proportional to the length. So here you can see the test specimen and over which the strain gauge has been attached. अब जब इस टेस्ट स्पेसिमेन पे फोर्स लगेगा तो वो स्ट्रेन गेज भी एक तरह से स्ट्रेच होगा, तो वो स्ट्रेन गेज इट विल फॉर्म द वन आर्म ऑफ द व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज, जो यहाँ पे आर आप देख रहे हैं इन रेड कलर. सो ये वो वाला आर्म फॉर्म करेगा. तो जब जैसे ही वो चेंज होगा तो ये व्हीट स्टोन ब्रिज जो अपने आप को बैलेंस करके इट विल मेजर दैट रेजिस्टेंस विच इज ए इलेक्ट्रिकल क्वांटिटी. So here you can see one arm is having strain gauge and other are the arms for balancing this Wheatstone bridge so that we can measure the change in resistance due to the force. So in this experiment we will study electrical resistance type strain gauge. In this, the device consists of a thin wire placed on a flexible paper tissue and is attached to a variety of materials to measure the strain of the material. In application or in practical, you can say the electrical strain gauge will be attached to a structural membrane with the help of a special cement. अगर हम practically बात करें तो ये एक स्पेशल सीमेंट के साथ उस स्ट्रक्चर के साथ अटैच होता है जिस पे हम फोर्स या स्ट्रेस हम मेजर करना चाहते हैं. The gauge position will be in such a manner that the gauge wires are aligned across the direction of the strain to be measured. When the force is applied on the wire, there occurs a strain that will increase the length. Therefore, the resistance of the wire changes. This change in resistance is proportional to the strain and is measured using a Wheatstone bridge, as we have seen in the previous diagram. So strain gauge is a sensor whose resistance varies with applied forces. It converts force, pressure, tension, weight, etc. into change in electrical resistance which can be measured. When external forces are applied to the stationary object, stress and strains are the result that can be measured. Both sensor and the transducer are used to sense a change within the environment they are surrounded by or an object they are attached to. But a sensor will give an output in the same format and the transducer will convert those quantities into electrical signals. So these are some applications, that is pressure measurement, acceleration measurement and temperature measurement. Due to change in temperature also, the structure can be varied, so we can measure it using strain gauge. So this is the practical setup that we are going to use, that is pressure measurement using strain gauge. इसमें आप देख रहे हैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ये मैकेनिकली प्रेशर मेजर करेगा. हम यहाँ से नॉब से इसको क्लॉकवाइज घुमा के इस पे प्रेशर अप्लाई करेंगे और इस पे प्रेशर सेंसर लगा हुआ है जो कि डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड है व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज के साथ राइट हैंड साइड पे, दैट इज प्रेशर सेल। सो एक्साइटेशन सोर्स है जो इसमें वो बैटरी है। यहाँ पे जीरो पोटेंशियोमीटर है और गेन पोटेंशियोमीटर है। इनकी हेल्प से वी विल कैलिब्रेट these two instruments. So this is the setup. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वाले इंस्ट्रूमेंट से हम मैकेनिकली मेजर करेंगे एंड ऑन राइट हैंड साइड दिस इज द ट्रांसड्यूसर, वी विल measure the pressure from the digital display using the transducer. So this is the apparatus, mechanical pressure pump with oil tank. इसमें ऑयल है, उस पर हम प्रेशर अप्लाई करेंगे। प्रेशर गेज कैपेसिटी है जो 10 kg पर स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर है। डिजिटल प्रेशर इंडिकेटर है, कंट्रोल यूनिट है और they are having zero setting potentiometer and gain setting potentiometer also to calibrate these two instruments. Then pressure gauge, then power requirement is 230 volt 50 hertz AC supply. So these are controls. प्रेशर पंप है, मैकेनिकल पंप है जिससे हम प्रेशर अप्लाई करेंगे। देन प्रेशर सेंसर, इट इज अ स्ट्रेन बेस्ड सेंसर फिटेड विद पंप, जो कि हमने जो प्रेशर जिस पे हम अप्लाई कर रहे थे उस पे जो ट्रांसपेरेंट हाउसिंग है दैट विल बी द प्रेशर सेंसर, जो कि उसको सेंस करेगा और डायरेक्टली वो व्हीटस्टोन ब्रिज को वो आउटपुट देगा। Then digital indicator, it will give the reading in kg per square centimeter. Then zero adjustment and gain adjustment. So this is a description of that instrument. Pressure measurement using strain gauge is acting as a transducer in which a analog pressure is converted into digital form. So excitation source है जो वो 5 volt DC power supply है जो कि bridge section को दी जा रही है। Then bridge section, they are having 4 arms having resistance in between them that we have seen. Then conditioning circuit, this circuit consists of 2 op amps having 2 potentiometers for zero setting and gain potentiometer of the output indicated in the digital display. Gain potentiometer is working as a variable feedback resistance or setting the desired output, means to calibrate the instruments.